Hello everybody, let me introducing myself. My name is Rahmat Akbar Barokah. I come from first semester in English Education Study Program and my M.Pd is 2022. Okay, so today I want to bring a story about the beautiful hair of Rapunzel. A long time ago, a girl named Rapunzel was known for her beautiful long blonde hair. Unfortunately, she was locked up in a tower with no doors by an evil witch. The witch never allowed her to go out, which made her lonely and miserable. Okay? One day, a handsome young prince heard her voice and fell in love with her. Both of them decided to flee, but somehow the witch named to know about it. She cut down Rapunzel's long beautiful hair and cast a spell on her, which led her to live in a lonely desert. The witch also cast a spell on the prince that made him go blind and led him to wander in the desert forest. After many years of wandering, the prince and Rapunzel finally met. Rapunzel was so happy seeing her prince that she started crying, and a few of her tears fell in the prince's eyes. This brought back his eyesight, and both lived happily ever after in their kingdom. Okay, it's all of me. Thank you. Goodbye.